a 50% increase in just 15 years. In Romania, 4 out of 5 people over 65 have at least one chronic disease. Life expectancy is on the rise and we will live more. But we will live more with multiple chronic conditions. And pay more for medical treatments. That's not life. Well, you are wondering why I'm telling you all this. I'm Andre and I love food. The last 12 years I worked in digital product development, like most of you here. At the beginning, I had a chaotic life. Lots of work, junk food, and stress. Well, that life brought me a beautiful gift. A chronic autoimmune disease, which set me in the hospital for a couple of months every year. But that beautiful gift was actually a turning point in my life because I got to understand the importance of a balanced and healthy life. So I started to search for ways to achieve just that. I began with food, but because I didn't have any time to cook, being a lazy motherfucker, and because nothing on the market was right for me, I started to search for a business model around healthy fast food that is sustainable for the client and scalable as a business. A healthy meal consists in a mix of nutrients coming from natural sources, and we call that real food. In our year-long journey, we discovered a method of cooking called sous vide, which enhances the taste, enhances the number of nutrients, and enhances the expiration date. Connecting all these dots, we've created the first sous vide cooked, vacuum-packed, and delivered meals in Romania, and among the first in Europe. So how does this work? You just order in advance online. We cook and deliver with Global. When it's time to eat, you just take all those bags from the fridge, heat them in hot water, and the meal is ready in just 5 minutes. Everything is 100% natural. It's super tasty, it's personalized, and the business is scalable because of the packaging and the extended shelf life. So far, we have over 500 orders, an average order value of 36 euros, and $80,000 in revenue, only through word of mouth. The business model is simple. We just order a minimum of 17 euros, and we deliver 2 times a week. The ready-meals market has grown in the last 12 years to over 200 billion euros, and it's increasing 15% every year. So, to reach more customers, we need to think like a real business. We'll launch national-wide deliveries. We'll add new products, farm-to-table meals, and also we'll implement our marketing campaigns. In order to achieve all these things, we'll need an experienced partner in food production management and an investment for marketing and scaling the production.